So here's my poor flight test night Radian that had a bit of an accident. You see the foam hinge for the rudder is just completely destroyed. Worst part is that wasn't even from flying it. I had my fixed wing hanging from the ceiling with magnets, and I crashed my tiny hawk into it and it fell down. Landed on the rudder and just completely destroyed it. So pretty bummed about that. But after searching some of the forums, one person suggested this product, Foam-Tac, to repair the hinge. So I'm going to give this a shot. I've never done this before. I've never fixed a hinge, made a hinge. Hell, I don't even fly fixed wing very much at all. They confound me for some reason. I can fly drones. I can't fly these things. I don't know why. But I'm going to use Foam-Tac to repair this hinge. Let's get started. So first thing first was taking the wings off of this thing to kind of make it a little more manageable. And then I'm going to disconnect the control linkage on the back here just so I can kind of move the rudder around. All right, got that disconnected. So as you can see, the only thing that's left is kind of this lower hinge. It's even broken here on the back side. But I'm mostly concerned about this upper part here. Someone had suggested putting packing tape on it, and I started doing that and realized that, I started thinking like there's got to be a better way to do this. So we get this packaging tape off here so we can start nice and fresh. All right, well that's most of it there. Give it a crack. I've got a couple things with me. I got a piece of paper towel to clean up any mess, which I'm sure I will have. This stuff smells exactly like rubber cement. Wouldn't surprise me if that's actually what it is. All right, so they also say less is more. So there's one side. There's two sides. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see it's kind of building up a little bit of a bond there. One, two. Let's get a little bit of pressure. And I think I'll hold this for a little bit just to kind of make sure it gets stuck together well. That should be about it. I said 20 to 30 minutes for a strong bond. 24 hours for full cure. So that's that. Come back in a couple hours and see how it looks. Well, here we are back about a day later, and the Foam-Tac is dried, and well, that hinge looks to be about as good as new. Yeah, Foam-Tac. Good stuff. If you have to fix a foam hinge, I'd say that'd be the way to do it. All right, guys, if you like what I'm doing here, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.